Will AI, artificial intelligence, take over our world and eliminate the human race? That's the question. There are many AI-driven sites that allow the creation of YouTube videos from text. Some even claim to be able to create YouTube content from articles on the web using a URL link. Pictory.ai has this functionality, so I have decided to give it a try to check it out. I've asked Pictory.ai to create a video using a tutorial that is available at w3schools.com website. You can see the link below. This is a tutorial on a Python library called Pandas, which is used by data scientists all over the world to analyze data, to extract information, and make good business decisions. So what is W3 Schools provide? W3schools.com is a really good website that offers all kinds of training. If you're trying to learn about different types of training like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you can see the whole list. So there's a tutorial called Pandas, and so what I tried to do was just to take this introduction page, this link here, and where you can see it explains what is Pandas, why use Pandas, what Pandas can do, where is the Pandas code base. So this is the article that I am providing to Pictory, right? So on the Pictory, the way it works, you can go to Pictory page, say projects, create a new project. When you do that, there is a capability called article to video, and I basically copy pasted this link here, and then hit, actually I'm gonna take this to show you, copy, and go here, paste. When you click proceed, you will see what it does. It tries to go to that site and extract out the information from that URL and try to create a video for you. It takes about a minute or so, but you'll see it will be done in next few seconds. Let's just wait. Here you go. So it basically created this video screens, what I showed, and that's how it works. Pictory created the video in less than 1 minute. Super cool, huh? Please watch the next few minutes of the video it created based on the article, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think AI will eliminate the human race? How confident are you in using AI to generate content for YouTube or any other purpose? I'd love to hear your thoughts. This screen was generated by Pictory using the URL link from the w3schools.com website. Pictory generated content, Pandas introduction. Pictory generated content again. What is Pandas? Pictory generated content again. In this screen, it is actually found the content correct. Pandas is a Python library used for working with datasets. However, the picture is totally wrong. Why use Pandas? Let's see what Pictory found. Again, Pictory generated content. Pandas allows us to analyze big data and make conclusions based on statistical theories. The text is correct, but the context is not. What can pandas do? Well, this panda is not the same panda. Panda sure can walk. This is, I thought, the funniest of all the screens that Pictory has generated. Is there a correlation between two or more columns? Yes, that's exactly one of the functionality that Pandas library provide to make correlation between data sets and columns. Well, Pictory got this one correct from the text, but the entire context of what it generated is totally out of sync. So you have to be very careful. So this screen looks pretty cool. Where is Panda's code base? Panda's code base is in GitHub. So when it saw the GitHub, it created this nice, beautiful image in the background, but doesn't really tell you where to find it. So in this screen that you can see, a panda is chewing on bambos. But what do you think? Cute and cuddly pandas chewing on bambos. While this may be cute, it is absolutely wrong. So my take, and our take, is that AI may be great for certain tasks, but let's not trust it when it comes to creating content that requires human emotion and understanding. AI has absolute utility, but you need to apply it to the right place. Just applying randomly without checking and pushing out content to YouTube using AI generated content is not a good idea. So I'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your comments below, and love to see what you think of this AI capability.